Rainy season in Japan. So today and well yesterday evening there was evacuation notice for this area for anyone who is living by their own, or they're infirm, or they're elderly. They can go to an evacuation centre and be looked after there. I think in the 4th floor flat, hopefully 4th floor apartment. Hopefully we're okay. Me and the family. This is at the temple. See, just absolutely pelting it down. This is the rainy season in Japan. See the more time maybe the gullies here just absolutely overflowing. It's hot and humid and just horrible until autumn. It's just a real grin and bear it.